Alright guys, once again welcome to Schema Technology. I believe you guys are doing great. It'll be a while. It's your boy Jerry Graphic Design here. Today I bring you another interesting video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can send a PLP file to a friend. That is if the person loves your design and they want to come up with something like that but finding it difficult to get into or did not have access to the resources. That is the reason of this video, and that is the useful of PLP. All right, so now let's say for instance let me show you something in my PixelLab. Okay, this is a match flyer, all right, that I designed for a company. All right, so let's say for instance the person would love to come up with this kind of flyer but they have this kind of resource, or is finding it difficult to match this in PixelLab, come up with it in PixelLab. So what you will do is you will send the person this PLP file of this design, send him this particular design, but you are not just going to send it as an image. If you send it as an image, the person will not be able to edit it. So this PLP file now will help the person edit it, change some things. You can even change the color or change the write-up. That is the useful of PLP file. And also this PLP file will also take them directly to their own PixelLab. All right, so anybody that you are sending this PLP file to, ensure that the person has PixelLab in their phone already. So once they have PixelLab, once you send it to them, once you tap it, if you take them to their PixelLab, so they will edit anything here that you can be able to edit in your back end, so far as you did not match this. All right, but if you match this together with this, they won't be able to edit it. So once you are sending a PLP file to somebody, ensure that you did not match it. So we'll talk about that further in Pixel. All right, so now let me show you. Let me go to my DM. All right, so this is the PLP file that I am talking about. Here is a PLP file. Here is a PLP file. You see it by the end here, PLP. All right, so with this now, if you send it to somebody will just edit this flyer. Now that having said, let me head to my PixelLab and then show you something here. Okay, let's head to PixelLab. All right, now let me go with this. All right, so now let's say this flyer. I'm already done with this. Okay, I'm done with this flyer. There is nothing I want to do here again. So what I want to do is, if I want to send this to someone, you see these are the resources that I use in this particular flyer. So if I send this as a PLP file to someone, the person will have access to all of these resources, both the text, the shape, the images. All right, the person will have access to it, and the person can decide to hide any of these or even delete them and put the one he like. So the main reason of this PLP file is the person to make some changes to his taste. All right, so that is the major use of aims of this PLP file. Now if you are sending this, it's always advisable for you to leave it on match, just the way I leave this one. So do not match anything here. Do not match anything, because if you match anything, the person will not be able to edit that particular one that you match them together. All right, so you just, after you're done with the design, you send it to, and you can as well, the good part of it is you can as well sell your PLP file. Yes, so if you need I have a lot of design that I make, so if you need PLP file, you can DM me. I'm free to share with you. Okay, so if you are good in design, you can design and then sell your PLP file to your fellow designer, that they are coming up, or that they are trying to get a particular design but they could not get it right. You can help them with that. Charge a little fee, okay, for your work. All right, so they will have access to it, and once you give it to them, is unlimited. Okay, they can use it as many as they want, as many as they want. All right, that is the good part of it. Okay, so that is it. So now let me head straight to the tutorial of the day. So I'm just telling you the benefit and then the use of it. Okay, so now I would love to share this PLP file of this particular design now. So what we're gonna do is, you first of all, if you come to your PixelLab, you tap on my project, because if you are sharing a PLP file, you are sharing the already done design that you have already made. So you come to my project, you see all your projects here. So for the sake of this video, I'm going with this Chigozie flyer. Okay, I am going with this Chigozie flyer, which is this one. So once you tap on your project, what we're going to do here is we are going to tap on share. Okay, so if I tap on the share, look at the downside, you will see what they write there. Okay, so you see save as story PLP Chigozie flyer PLP. That means it has already saved. The moment you tap on share, it's saved as PLP. So now for you to ensure you save as PLP, you still have to save it here. You can save it as PNG and then as ultra or custom, whichever one. So once you are done saving it in PixelLab, we are going to our file. All right, so what we're going to do here is you go to my file. Once you are in your file, okay, you can see this is the design that we just saved, right? So but we are not just going to send it as an image, because if you open it now, it will be as an image. That's not how we want to send it. So for you to send it as PLP, you come to internal storage. Come to internal storage, then you scroll down, then you go to, you locate PixelLab. All right, so these are the designs saved in PixelLab, but I will show you the difference. All right, so these ones that you are seeing here, they are not PLP file. All right, as you can see, JPG. Okay, so for you to get the PLP file that you send, you got to scroll down to the bottom. That's where it normally saves. So you scroll down to the last. Okay, all right, good. So these are the PLP file. All right, you can see is at the last button. See anything from here, sorry, that's not what I want. Okay, so anything from this one to here to this one is PLP. You can see it. You can see the button here, PLP, right? You can see the Chigozie flyer that I just sent, PLP file. You can see it here, PLP file is on PLP file already. So all I need to do is to share it to whoever that I want to share it with. You can check the second March. That's when I'm making this video. I even save it twice. So that is it. Okay, so now you can see all this one PLP file. These are the one that I have sent to my friends, some of my clients. So I send it as a PLP file. All right, so they can be able to edit it and do whatever thing that they want to do with it. All right, so now for us to send this, now you can either send it to the person WhatsApp or even Facebook, whichever media that the person wants it to be. You can share it to send it to them there. So what we're gonna do here is, let me turn on this my internet. Okay, so now if you want to share this, you long press this. Once you long press it, you will see share at the button at the downside. You click on share, then you either share to WhatsApp or any of the media, Telegram, email, all the media handle. All right, so I'm going to use WhatsApp for the sake of this tutorial. Then I will send it to this. I'll send it here. Okay, so for you to confirm again, you see, you check it, the last word here, PLP file. All right, Chigoze Flyer PLP file. So now this PLP file has been sent. All right, so if you check the notification, actually it's my second phone number. Okay, so if you check the notification at the top here, you can see the file here. All right, so this is how you can send a PLP file to someone, and then the person can make use of it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. Please, if you didn't understand any part about this video, drop a comment in the comment section. I will surely attend to you. If I have to attend to you privately, I will surely do that with all pleasure. And if you have any tutorial in mind, or you have any challenge in this graphic design industry, you want me to look to, or to make a tutorial on it, to put it in this channel, please do what to drop a comment section, or a comment in the comment section, or you can message me directly. I will surely attend to you. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, so that others will benefit as you do. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. It's your boy Jerry Graphic Design here. See you in the next tutorial.